Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the workshop. Today, I'm going to be fiddling around with a bike, because I can. Ultimately, during this period of weirdness, here in the UK, we're not recommended, we're allowed to do a bit of exercise every day, and I've just been going for a cycle because I can't run because I'd probably break my knees with my weight if I was running. So I've got the old big boy out. Slapped some skinnier tyres on it. I've been riding this around, but it's not ideal. And I was thinking, got my little BMX up there. What else could I use? Now, I'm pointing at this. This is a bit of a retro bike. I got this, I don't know, back in the 90s, I think. Well, I can't remember. It's years and years ago. This is late 80s. Holdsworth Ultima. Now the last time I rode this in anger, excuse the motorbike, I run out of talent quite quickly. It was only the sort of second or third time I'd been out mountain biking, and I went over a log drop and sort of landed but then didn't, and ended up in A&E. And now the log drop, by people we know, is now called Larkham's Leap, which is quite comical. So it hasn't really been anywhere since. It's not perfect condition by any means. I mean, it's an old bike, but I was thinking maybe I'm not going to restore it. Maybe refresh it a bit, strip it down, clean it up, try and see what it's like on the road. Really, I might change the tyres. I don't know. I know one of these pedals is. The spindle's bent. I think that was from when I crashed. So anyway, it's not going to be a restore. It's going to be a clean it up, tart it up and try it job. Let's get it on the bike stand and just sort of tear it apart, clean it up a bit, I guess. I forgot to say just then that when I first had it, I put these twist grips on, gear grip things, and they're horrible, so I think I found the originals. Let's see if we can get them back on. And also they had some bar ends, which I might try on. I might even put the original reflectors on. I don't know. And I did change the brakes, because they were horrific before. And these are only cheaper brakes, and these are years old still. And yeah. So apart from that, it's pretty original. Here it is in the rack. It isn't that bad actually, it's just a bit mucky. It's obviously been repaired at some time, that was before I had it. Yeah, it's got a bit of grease on there, or a bit of oil. I have very, very little spares, so really I'm going to try and use or reuse as much as I can. I might, it's a bit rough. I don't know, I might paint them, I might not, I don't know. Right, let's get brutal on it. That may have gone then. Oh! Oh! That's it. Oh, flipping Nora. Oh, have you ever had them that tight before? Crikey. Well, it's off. Right, bottom bracket definitely needs to come out. I haven't got a wrench for that, so I'm going to try these. I know it's not the right tool, but needs must. There she goes. Oops. Right. So now I'm guessing, does that come out this way or the other way? I'm not really sure. Is that left-hand thread? Oh. Will that be? Yes, that's left-hand thread. Well, some very dry bearings. Oh, there's a splash of grease in there. Don't judge me, it's what I've got. That didn't want to go either. Hopefully that'll go a hand. Yes. There's a shield in there, I'll get that out in a minute. Oh, mucky. Very mucky. That's been in there a while. Let's whip these pedals off. So this is the left-hand pedals, a left-hand thread. So in theory, right-hand pedal should be a right-hand thread, or a standard thread. That's if I can grab it well enough in here. Oh, that's easy. That was easy. Right, that's them out. Right, next job, strip the wheels down. Oh, that one's gone. Take the skewer out. Stuff on there. Oh, listen. Beautiful. Couple of spaces under that one. That's my little spanner. Oh, yeah, that's my little spanner. Oh, it's lovely. One axle. Are those loose bolts? I don't know. Yes, they are. Not a lot of grease in there. Right, that's that one. Let's move on to the back wheel. Right. Oh, ho, ho. Oh, lovely. Oh, poo. Give me a magnet there in time. Oh, they are dry. Two on the floor. And then more in there. Look how dry they are. So all right. Excuse me, I've just got to find the ones I dropped. Right, I found my balls. Look how nice and lubricated that isn't. Right, let's see if we can get this off. I do have a little tool. That's got it. Oh, he says, famous last words. That's all that's holding that on. That little jijum, little wim wham, and then hopefully this should come off. Oh, Look at that. There you go. And what's the... Well, ooh. Well, it's not like a finely tuned machine. Oh, I don't know how that comes out. I'll have to have a look at that. But there it is anyway, more or less stripped. Let's go apart somehow, mustn't it? I'll have a look. I don't think you'll be able to see it from there, but it looks to me like there's a 12mm spline in there. I don't think you can see it, but let's see. Give me a ratchet on it. See if she goes. Oh, yes. I haven't got a clue what's going to be behind here. There might be balls flying everywhere. Put it over a pot. Let's find a pot. Pot! Oh, dear little thing. There we go. I don't know if that comes out. Right, so we've got a lot of bits that are all filthy. So, got my trusty worktop cleaner thing. I'm going to chuck some gloves on, even though I'm in a right state, and give it all a good clean. You don't want to see it. This may take some time. Alright, here we have it. This is as clean as it's going to get. Got the old chain soaking a little bit. But yes, it's pretty clean. The frame is pretty beat up, but you know, it's respectable, I think. Well, I think I'm going to have to give these a bit of a tickle with a paintbrush, but yeah, apart from that, pretty good. Right, that is it for today. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you want to see more. Don't forget to look at our Instagram account, larks_workshop. And I'll see you next time. Stay safe. Cheers, then.